It is exciting to participate in a clinical trial and potentially receive an investigational drug that could make a difference. But what happens after the trial concludes, and what are the potential costs if you want to continue accessing that treatment? It is a question many participants naturally wonder about. After a clinical trial ends, the investigational drug usually becomes available at a cost, though this can vary significantly. In many cases, if the drug receives regulatory approval and goes to market, it will be priced like other prescription medications, often at full market value. However, there are also programs, particularly for patients who experience significant benefit during the trial, that may help mitigate these costs. The cost structure depends heavily on several factors. First, the drug's regulatory status is key. If it is approved by agencies like the Food and Drug Administration, it transitions from an experimental treatment to a commercially available product. Second, the pharmaceutical company's pricing strategy plays a major role, as they invest heavily in research and development. Third, your insurance coverage, or lack thereof, will determine your out-of-pocket expenses. Finally, the availability of compassionate use programs, patient assistance programs, or extended access programs can significantly alter what you might pay, sometimes offering the drug at no cost or a reduced rate. To navigate these potential costs, your first step should be to speak with the clinical trial staff or your treating physician. They are often aware of the drug developer's plans post-trial, including any patient support programs. Many pharmaceutical companies offer patient assistance programs designed to help individuals who cannot afford their medications. You might need to fill out an application and provide financial information to qualify for these. Checking with your insurance provider early is also crucial to understand what coverage might exist for a newly approved medication. Understanding the landscape of post-trial access is empowering. The concept of an extended access program, or compassionate use program, allows patients with serious conditions to receive investigational treatments outside of a clinical trial when no comparable or satisfactory alternative therapy is available. These are typically granted on a case-by-case basis by the pharmaceutical company and regulated by health authorities. It is a pathway designed to bridge the gap between trial completion and full market availability for those in critical need, highlighting a commitment to patient well-being beyond the trial's official duration. Ultimately, the goal is to ensure that, if an investigational drug proves beneficial for you during a trial, you have clear pathways to continue that treatment if it is approved and available. By proactively engaging with your care team, exploring patient assistance programs, and understanding the different access options, you can confidently plan for your long-term health needs and maintain continuity of care after your clinical trial participation ends.